where Centre has filed a response on the petitions challenging the Patna High Court verdict upholding the Bihar Caste survey. Centre has told the Supreme Court that only the central government has the authority to conduct such a survey and the state has no authority in this matter. My colleague Ananya Bhatnagar with us on the broadcast to give us more details on the story. We'll try and connect, but this has been a matter pertaining to the caste census. Caste census, which is closely linked to the delimitation exercise in this country. Now, the argument of the Bihar government is that they have the authority to go ahead and conduct a survey of this nature. However, the central government argues that a survey of this nature can be conducted only by the central government. The caste census becomes very, very fundamental to the democracy for a country like this. For the simple reason that a lot of states, including states like UP, Bihar and various other states across the country, vote along very sharp caste lines. And if those intricate balance of caste is realigned, rearranged in some form or manner, it affects the vote bank of any political party. Saurabh with us on the broadcast. Saurabh, tell us more about this caste census.
Anusha, Union government through SG Tushar Mehta had opposed Bihar government's caste survey in the Supreme Court, asserting that only the centre is empowered under the constitution to carry out a census. Now, leaders of Mahagathbandhan are claiming that the move of central government opposing Bihar's caste survey has exposed the double standard of the NDA, and several leaders, in fact, Deputy Chief Minister had also given a statement, and they all are blaming the BJP that it does not want the poor people, the deprived people, to get the benefits of the government policies.
Right.
Now, giving the clarification, Rajya Sabha member Sushil Modi has given the clarification and said that by filing the affidavit in the Supreme Court, it had already categorically stated that it was not against the caste-based census, but the census is covered in the union list under entry 69 of the 7th schedule. Now, the political experts have also commented, and they all are saying that by opposing caste survey, the BJP has been caught in a catch-22 situation. So, war of words have begun on this issue again, where leaders of Mahagathbandhan, they all are attacking BJP of this move, whereas BJP is clarifying that they are not against the caste-based.
Saurabh, stay with us on the broadcast. There's some more breaking news which is coming in. And after Centre has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court on the caste census, Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejashwi Yadav has hit out at the Centre, saying that Centre has no knowledge. They know only how to lie and suppress the truth. He has said that it had been made clear that BJP does not want this kind of census and is hence opposing it. Listen into what Tejashwi Yadav said.
इन लोगों को ज्ञान है भी नहीं, और है भी तो इन लोगों को एक ही ज्ञान है कि केवल झूठ बोलना, जो सच्ची बातें हैं उसको दबाना और अपने एजेंडे को सामने लाना। एफिडेविट में भी भारत सरकार ने जो एफिडेविट किया है, इसमें भी जो है विरोध किया है। बीजेपी चाहती ही नहीं है कि सेंसस हो, या कोई स्टेट अगर इंडिपेंडेंटली अगर सर्वे भी करा रहा है, जो गरीबों को देखते हुए, आर्थिक स्थिति को देखते हुए, जातियों को देखते हुए, ताकि वो कल्याणकारी योजना बनाए, ये तो शुरू से विरोधी रही है और अभी भी विरोध कर रही है। तो अब तो बीजेपी का चेहरा जो है उजागर हो गया है जनता के बीच, अब सब लोग जान रहे हैं। और इतने ही अगर पक्षधर हैं तो देश भर में करा ले, किसने रोका था? हम लोग तो गए थे मांग करने।
बीजेपी तो विरोधी है बुरी तरह से, इसको हम लोगों ने बताया भी है, और इसको नहीं चाहता है बीजेपी और संघ, ये दोनों में गड़बड़ी है, नाकुर नुकुर कर रहे हैं।
My colleague Saurabh continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Saurabh, the statement of Lalu Prasad and Tejaswi on the expected lines.
Yes, but Sushil Modi had circulated the brief petition to the media group here, which says, the point number 3 clearly says that it is submitted that central government is committed to take all affirmative actions for upliftment of SC/STs, SEBs, OBCs in accordance with the provision of the Constitution of India. Now, in the 4th point, it is mentioned that the census is a statutory process and is governed by Census Act 1948. It is submitted that the subject of census is covered in the union list under entry 69 in the 7th schedule. So it is clearly mentioned in the affidavit, Anusha, that the purpose is not to deprive people of getting, government policies, and in fact, it is the whole affidavit is to see the legality of this whole process, where a state conducts a caste survey, because in the constitution it is written that the census is a union list matter. So this whole issue is now getting politicized, where we have heard Deputy CM, he is alleging that BJP people don't want deprive people because it's a caste issue. So we know that especially in states like Bihar, where caste is a major tool to get people vote. So here this issue has become politicized, and the Mahagathbandhan leaders are taking no chance of attacking. We are attacking BJP government here in the center, and also the center is right now, if we may say that it has indeed caught in the 22 catch 22 situation, where they are clarifying that they are not against this whole the caste survey, but the legality of this case needs to be seen.
Thank you, Saurav, for getting us all the details on that very important story.